Go hang out down at the other ones. You can hang out and see them good.
Should have brought some of that hot fun.
Exactly. Sally's missing it.
What? Sally?
She went up to go get more balls.
More balls.
I'm trying to get warm. I'm freezing. My hands are like ice cubes.
In your pockets.
I know, it's crazy.
Stop running temporarily out.
Evidently.
Fireworks! Forever though, the elevator would not come.
Nice balls.
Thanks for, I like my balls too.
Alright. Hang on, everyone's watching the fireworks now.
Yeah.
Sally, wait.
Wait until afterwards, it'll be better.
They'll be needy again.
Awesome.
Oh, watch out.
Did they just start?
Watch out.
Those suckers up.
Oh, that's like love stuff.
Hand fails.
Pull up, you can have it.
No, my fingers aren't even in there. Pam Bale said, Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Pam.
Oh, they're beautiful. Sorry,
You're fine. I can see right over you.
Okay, that's yours.
Quiet.
That couldn't have been it.
Probably not quite.
No, about another 3 minutes.
should blow these up upstairs where it's warm, because once you take your breath off, it won't go in
It
there.
won't matter once it cools down.
Well, I couldn't get the plug inside the hole.
Hate when that happens.
I know.
Well, it takes a certain expertise.
Evidently, I've never been a man in a previous lifetime.
You always said
I know.
Well, yellow ones. Here comes the grand finale.
Uh-oh.